Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we're gonna see how we can handle course error and what is exactly the course, right? It can be a nightmare for when you face these errors and you don't know what it is. So course is basically a cross-origin resource sharing protocol. You can say it as protocol, right? So there is a thing for browsers. They whenever you use a website, if you are using the resources on the same origin, that means if you are using YouTube, and if I go to your channel, this tab or shorts or home, if YouTube is using everything in the youtube.com, then nothing related to course will occur. But let's say YouTube is requesting some data from the external API or from my Django server, then it will run into course error. If I don't allow my Django server, don't allow youtube.com to get the data, right? So this is the thing. So backend, from backend you have to allow that you you give permission to this website that this can access my data or my API, right? So how we can do this? Let's see by an example. So here I have the next project running, the React project, and if I can just run it again, and it's calling by axios my Django server, right? And my Django server is giving this response, and it's showing this response here. Is getting compiled. Call the API, and obviously we have to run the server also. This is my Django server. I will just run or initialize my server in Django. Call the API and web. So this is, I will show you where it is. Go to my API views. I am sending this response to my React, right? So this is getting it. Okay, so let's assume that you don't know about CORS and you have created an API which is sending some response to the any request it is accepting, right? uh, so I will uncomment some lines here which is for CORS. So this one is for CORS, this one is for CORS, and right row section here I have added something for CORS. If I just remove these lines, now I do the same thing, just reload, you will see these errors, and these can be uh, something scary when you don't know what it is. So access to has been a CORS policy blocked by CORS policy and a lot of stuff. That means my Django server is not allowing this this localhost 3000 or my next application to access uh, the uh, data, or to access the API from that origin. So if I allow now, control Z, control Z, control, these are the four lines. For every platform this will be different. For Django it is like this. For Fast API, it will be different. For Flask, it will be different. You just have to Google it. But the main issue is that you have to understand why it's happening. Because from the backend, you have to allow, right? And how to allow this can be different for every platform, right? But you will find it easily when you uh, just do a Google search. Okay. Now if I just say I will get this again, so no this force policy or whatever error. So this was the thing about cores and how you can face and deal with these errors. I hope you like the video. You can subscribe the channel and I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.